Hey guys, it's Kaycee. Welcome to my channel. Today I am filming, I just finished filming an unboxing for some Jeffree Star products that I had ordered like 2 months ago and received like 2 months ago, but just finally opened now. So today I'm filming a blood sugar makeup look. So I always end up getting fallout everywhere, so I'm not doing my foundation until after I finish my eyes this time, so hopefully it turns out okay. But yeah, we're gonna do blood sugar, and I'm gonna use like all of my I'll try to use like as much Jeffree Star stuff as I have just to kind of make that a video. But my unboxing, I'm totally gonna ruin that video. Whatever, if you don't watch it, you don't watch it. It's fine. But I'm gonna be using some of the products that I got in my unboxing, which is going up after this video, so it's kind of backwards, but what are you gonna do? But I received my first I ordered and received my first Jeffree Star mirror, and I so badly just want to be like, hi, how are ya? Anyways, okay, so I might use this, I might not. I got this pearlescent pig mirror in my order. It's kind of like ginormous though, so like I don't know how I would like, I probably won't use this, to be honest, like in this video. So I'm gonna put it away. I just, yeah, wanted to be like, hi, how are ya? Anyways, loser. Okay. Where do I put it? On top of using like mostly Jeffree Star products and using just this blood sugar palette for my eyes, I'm also going to attempt a cut crease possibly. This is going to be my first ever attempt, so it might go terribly wrong, but we shall see. So I don't know why, but I've opened this before, but I still, every time I open it, I'm expecting it to be more reds. But there's really only 4 reds, like the rest are kind of like purples and browns and stuff. So there's that. So like I said, I'm going to start with my eyes. So I don't have a goal in mind. I just want to try to do something that looks like mildly decent. So how do I go about this? I know one of my people that I talked to on here, hey, you told me how to do a cut crease, so I'm going to try that today. But where do I begin? I don't know where to begin. I'm so used to having everything on my face already. So, I mean, I'm going to be covering this part anyway, so do I really put a bunch of makeup on it? Should I start with like a primer? I don't know. This is just from Sephora. I might have used this before and hated it. Let's try it out and see. I'm just gonna do this and then use a brush to rub it in, blend it, whatever you want to call it. This brush is so dirty, but it's like concealer. Well, let's start with, I like these colors, but I'm just not sure. I know which one I want in my like crease. I'm gonna try this cherry soda and see what that's like here. I feel like that mirror is so far away. Okay, so this is literally just like red. I'm always surprised when, like, I don't know why, but I feel like every time I'm like, oh, this looks exactly like it does in the palette. I'm like, why is that surprising to me? They're already not even, but like I feel like I'm gonna be just blending a bunch more into it anyways, so that shouldn't matter, I'm hoping. Okay, this is, I don't know, a brush. I'm gonna take, it's called Fresh Meat. I'm gonna take that and just kind of blend that up into the crease. It's like a darker, I don't know, I'll show you a picture. I don't know why, but every time I'm doing my eyeshadow, everything always kind of ends up over here. Every time. I don't know. Hi. Mommy is working. What's that? Love you. Okay, now I'm taking Extraction, which is even darker than the one that I just put on. And I'm just going to try to darken up like this corner, I guess. See what happens. This one's called Candy Floss, and I'm just going to try to... I forgot that I can do this because I don't have anything on my face. Oh, no wonder it was so itchy. There was red everywhere. Oops. Okay. That was weird. That was my throat. Okay. I like that color. I'm gonna put that also in the inner corner. I don't know how this is gonna work, but we're gonna try it. Can I like squeeze this out of here? Oh, I can. Nice. Okay. Let me just take a glob of this. Okay. Use this little mirror. Hang on. Okay, so I've already failed at what I was trying to do. I didn't follow the directions that I was given. Sorry. I wanted to try something else and it didn't work, so next time I will follow directions. So I'm just going to take the shade Blood Sugar, because that's what the palette's called, and I'm going to just put this over where I just put eyeshadow primer. Okay. Now, what do we put under the eyes? I feel like I look so weird because I have nothing but my eyeshadow on. I liked that Extraction shade. I kind of want to throw that under the eyes. That's that darker one. And then maybe just kind of bring Blood Sugar in here. Okay, I feel like that's going to be it for the eyeshadow. So let's put that away. Blood Sugar. And then I'm just going to quickly go off camera to do foundation. Where did I put my foundation? To do foundation and eyebrows, and then I'll come back for like everything else. Okay, so foundation is done, eyebrows are done, and I decided to also throw on mascara. Hopefully this is still filming. I have no idea because I didn't turn it off during that whole time. But it's starting to like come together, so I'm gonna throw on some, sorry, there's like a black dot, there we go. I'm gonna throw on some blush and some highlighter, and then we will throw on a lipstick and some setting spray. So, okay, so for blush, I'm gonna use this AOA Perfect Blush in Mod. And just like this little brush I got from AOA also. I kind of wanted to do like a muted blush today just because the eyes are so poppin'. I feel like putting lashes on, but I just don't want to waste them. I'm just washing this off when I'm done here. Cat hair. I always film after work, so I get home at like 5:30 and then I film and then I just like wash it off and go to bed because I wake up at 4:30. So it's never like for an occasion. Okay, I feel like this side didn't blend out as nicely. I feel like there's a harsh line there, but whatever. Okay, there's some blush, a little bit on the nose, a little bit up here. Ooh, a lot of it up there apparently. Do the same thing here just to even it out. Okay. And then for highlighter, oh, my skin is so dry. I've been drinking so much water, but my skin is so dry. I'm just gonna use AOA as well. So Perfect Pressed Highlighter in Eris. I feel like this is the one that I liked when I first opened them. I hope it is anyways. I think it's the one that like really showed up. Really, ooh, it really came to play. Oh, I went hard. Okay, oopsie. At least now I know. I feel like I thought I did that in the first time I did this too. I need a different brush for this now. No. What's on here? I don't even know what's on here, but we need to try to... I screwed up. We might as well screw up the other side. Put it exactly where I had the other one. Okay, let's just... Yeah, that was a... What's a better word for mistake? What's a bigger word for mistake? Oh my goodness. I mean, like, I like it to be showing, but like not right on my cheeks like that. More like right here. Okay, well, there's no way you're missing me now. I'll put some on my nose. And a little bit right there. And I don't know why, but we're gonna put some right here because I always do. And just a little bit more here. And then blend that because that looks horrendous. Okay, well, I think I'm looking cute. What do you think? Again, these eyelashes are just not happening, but I don't want to waste perfectly good false lashes. So, lipstick. I don't have a lip liner, but I do have lipstick, and it's Jeffree that you'll see if you, well, you'll see it now, but you'll see me unbox it if you watch the unboxing video. It says shake well before use. Okay, will do. Thanks for the heads up. I'm so excited to see this. Oh, this is like neon. Okay, was not expecting it to be neon. I was kind of expecting it to be like this one. I kind of want to use this one. Are they the same? No, I guess they're like very similar. Okay. That was the Moschino and Sephora. They're like little marker ones. I'll have to do a video with that as well. Okay, let's see. Did I shake this enough? Oh, it says Shane Dawson on it. I did not know they said that. Look at it. It's like a highlighter. Should I like mix it? Okay, let's see. I don't know. This does not seem like it's... There's highlighter all over my shirt. Oh my goodness. Oops. Okay, let's just try this now. See what she's like. Wish me luck. I don't know if the lip like killed it or what, like in a bad way. I mean, the lip is like definitely my color, but like with the eye, does it like wreck it? Or does it like, I don't know. Okay, well, we're gonna put some finishing spray on anyways. Setting mist, sorry. This is MORPHE, the Pride collection. I've never used this before. Okay, so here we go. Do you shake this? Was that bad? Close eyes and apply. Interesting. First time using a setting mist. That felt refreshing. Okay, so here we have it. We've used Jeffree Star Blood Sugar Palette and Velour Liquid Lip. So thank you guys for coming to watch my video today. I appreciate it. Somehow my channel keeps continuing to grow. I realize it's not from makeup, it's from the try-ons, but still I'm still pretty happy with it and satisfied. So thank you to everybody who has subscribed and liked and commented so far, and if you haven't, feel free to do so. I appreciate every single one of you and love you all. I will see you sometime, probably tomorrow or Thursday, with another video, either an unboxing or a haul. And yeah, that is the finished look. So thanks again for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye guys, have a great day.